Good morning. My name is Judy Caddy, and I'm Senior Vice President of Marketing for the IC Federal Credit Union. It is my pleasure today to introduce Norman J. Boudreau, President of the IC Federal Credit Union.
Good morning and thank you for coming. We're here because IC Federal Credit Union today is proud to announce a significant enhancement of our innovative online checking and savings accounts, IC Direct Checking and Savings. Now here's Phil Richards, Senior Vice President of Retail at IC Credit Union, to give you the good news. Phil?
My pleasure to bring you the good news this morning. And the good news is good for our members and our future members. And we want to introduce IC Direct. For a limited time until September 1st, 2007, we'll pay an outstanding rate on IC Direct savings accounts of 6%. In addition, we'll be paying a very good rate on our IC Direct checking accounts of 5%. Again, this is a limited time offer. It will be available until September 1st, 2007, after which it will go back to a more regular rate on IC Direct Savings. It will revert back to 5% for IC Direct Savings and 2% for IC Direct Checking. No minimum balances that are required, so all balances will earn the same rate. And if you want additional information on these accounts, you can obtain that at our website on icdirect.com, or you can go directly to our IC Direct website, icdirect.org. So we think probably for 6% savings accounts that it's a very competitive rate across the country. We know of no other institutions that are paying 6% at this time. Members will continue to enjoy free ATM services. Even outside of our network, we'll be rebating $5 for each cycle for foreign ATM service charges. In addition, the account will offer free internet banking, free bill payer services, free online statements, and basically no monthly fees. Also, for your information, anybody is eligible to become a member of IC Federal Credit Union who live or work in any of the following counties: Hampden County, Norfolk County, Middlesex County, Franklin County, Hampshire County, and Worcester County. I'll take any questions at this time.
Why do this now? What's the rationale behind the timing?
The timing is really the result of a study that we've been doing for basically the last 2-year period. There's been a lot of proliferation of the so-called internet banks across the country that have been sort of acquiring a lot of attention, I should say, as a result of various products and services that they're offering. And those products and services have been catering to people that live very challenging and demanding lifestyles. In other words, they're looking for banking relationships that are convenient, that fit their schedules, that allow them to sort of meet the demands that they have, and at the same time permit them to obtain very good and competitive rates on their deposits. We decided over the course of the last number of months that we would offer this product to our members and that we would do it in a very big way. And the way that we're doing this is that we're coming out with a very special rate, 6% again. And we feel that this will make a large statement not only for our members but people that are able to be members of IC Credit Union but at this point for various reasons haven't joined the credit union.
As I mentioned, final question. Is there a target goal for how many new members you hope this IC Direct account will attract?
Yes, there is, as a matter of fact. We're looking to, over the course of the 12-month period, we're looking to grow our membership in IC Direct accounts by approximately somewhere in the neighborhood of about 1,000 to 1,500 members. And recognizing that there will be some value that we'll create, particularly in view of the rate, that there is an opportunity for us to create a lot of momentum for this and to carry forward. Obviously, we feel very confident that after the initial period is over at the end of August, that the accounts will stay with us. And we feel that way because we think that the value that we present as an organization, the sort of quality of service that our employees present to the members will allow us to ensure that these people will stay with us after that fact. So to answer your question directly, we do feel that probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about 1,500 members, looking to acquire probably somewhere between $8 million and $10 million worth of new funds.